confidence or fluency or
Yeah.
anything?
Nowadays, no problem. Actually, if you have seen my earlier videos, what happened on that last day, uh, whenever we trying to speak anybody in front of me, and that very moment we started stammering or something like that. But nowadays, it's okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Just like
I can notice a visible change between the
yeah,
Amit that I spoke to on 2nd April and the Amit that I'm speaking to on 2nd May. So there is an improvement that I can notice. So I'm sure that something has happened. You are smiling. You were smiling then also, but you're very much more confident, and you're not thinking too much, and that's a very good thing. I mean, if Clapping Go has been responsible for that change, then I am proud to be a part of Clapping Go. And of course, I'm sure you must have taken a lot of effort too. So uh, keep it up. I mean, it's a very good thing.
no.
So
One thing I want to say, I would like to say that whatever I am here, only for the you guys and all the clubbing members,
no,
because
no. So you
without
shouldn't say
you,
that, because ultimately, so I mean, we speak to a lot of people, right? And we more or less tell everybody the same thing. So whatever tips that I had given you, I think I told you to try and use the voice recorder app and
yeah,
try
yeah,
and
yeah,
speak to yourself,
yeah,
try and
yeah,
read a
yeah.
few things. So I say that to everybody. My tips are consistent. They are general tips. But improvement is in different levels in different people. Some people only improve a little bit, some people improve a lot, like you, I can see, has improved a lot. So that is due to your own effort, right? Because what I am giving you as my output is the same. It is only if
Exactly.
you take it and you process it and you implement it, that there will be a change, and that change is visible. So that is a very good thing. So give yourself also some credit, because it is also due to your effort.
No.
So
What I am saying, what I am today, am I today only for you guys, to whom
okay,
I met and
so
to whom I have gathered some knowledge during my sessions. That's the way.
okay, okay, fine, fair enough. So would you like to continue general conversation, or do you want to move on to the session topic? What do you prefer?
No problem. As you is.
Okay. Today's session document, if you've been through, it is on something known as a bizarre situation. Now, it's a very interesting topic, which is why I am going back to the
I just go
session
through
document.
the headlines.
More than
Nothing
enough,
is
more
there.
than enough.
Done. Done.
So it's just about having conversation. There's no point if you prepare and come, because then you will
No
just
problem. No
be
problem. No problem. No
memorizing.
problem.
Yeah.
We go for
Okay.
the sessions documents.
Okay. So as it is on bizarre situation or bizarre coincidence, or I don't know exactly what the word it is that they've used. I think bizarre surprise is what they've called it. So what has happened is you are going hiking. You're going for a walk,
Yeah.
and you have stepped out early in the morning, and you've gone out, and there's nobody around you. You've entered a forest kind of an area, and
Yeah.
there you find a bag, a suitcase or something, where there's nothing there, nobody there. So obviously you're very curious, and you go, you open the bag, and you see, and there is 10 crore rupees inside the suitcase.
Yeah.
And along with the 10 crore rupees, there is one note on top of the on all the currency notes that says don't, like don't, do not do anything. Okay, so this is
Hmm.
the situation. There's nobody around you, there's nothing around you, there's so much of cash in front of you with
Yeah.
just that one note. So then what do you do? What is the first thing that you would do? Would you take the money, or would you call someone, or what would you do?
Mm, what I will do?
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, as a sensible person, and what I have to do. First of all, I called the local police station.
Okay. Okay.
I will inform the local police station such and such suitcase is here, and including all such amount of money, whatever the amount, I don't know, whatever the
Okay.
amount, because
Okay.
if I don't have the valid documents or valid receipts regarding that currency or notes, how
Okay.
will I take it? Because if
You
I
are
will
speaking
take
as a
this
lawyer
amount,
and not as a common man, so you have an advantage there. We
because
have.
Because if I will have this amount, I will have to speak out from where I will gather it. Because if you have some IT file, if there must be a reflections of this.
Yeah.
or,
Okay.
nowadays what is going on before that elections, so many so many people have been arrested during this election period with a huge amount of currency notes.
Money.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
why I'm first of all I have to call the police, and after reaching there they must have some seizure list regarding the notes, and they'll take
Okay.
call, and after that they will find out to whom it will drop in the jungle.
Okay. Okay. Now there are two potential questions I can ask, but we'll
Yeah,
continue with your story.
yeah.
So you are saying you will give it to the police. Now, will you follow up whether the police have given the money to the right person? So will you keep going to the police station to check?
No,
Because for all
no,
you
no, no,
know, the
no,
policeman might be corrupt
no, no,
and they could
no.
take the money for themselves.
What will happen with the police
Hmm.
whenever one man or one person complaining to the police? First of all, police will reach to the place,
Hmm.
and then whoever complained to the police station, he will be the complainant in this case, unknown
Okay.
case.
Okay.
And you must have at the present moment will read a complaint to the police station addressing to the local OC,
Okay.
because you will be the complainant in this case.
Agreed. Agreed.
And
My question.
in front of you, they will made a seizure list regarding the notes.
Okay.
How much
Fine.
the amount, what's the number, what is the
Fine.
number regarding this currency, in which series to which series, and after that they will make a seizure list, and you as a complainant put your signature in this complaint.
Okay. So
That's why, yeah,
is this an official document? Is this a serial numbered official document?
yeah, and you have received a seizure list carbon copy for you.
Okay. Fine.
And when
Fine.
the trial will be going on, at that time you will be the complainant before the learned court, and you will attend must in these cases.
Okay. So since this procedure, so the police cannot, what shall I say, take the money for themselves because you have
Yeah.
the.
They can. How it is happen? How it will happen? At the time of receiving and at the time of counting, if they will passes some money from the
Remove
suitcase,
some. Yeah. Yeah.
at that time they can take,
Hmm.
because I have seen this when the currency note announced by the PM.
Hmm. Hmm.
At the moment, one of my client arrested with amount of 9,750 rupees
Thousand. Okay.
for exchanging the old currency to new
The
currency.
new. Okay.
At that time,
Wow.
I had been in the police stations, and the police personnel told me that, brother, what will be happen? Please tell your client's house, give them messages, collect some money, around 50,000 or 1 lakhs, because what will happen with us, the old, what we will do regarding this old money, because we don't take any old note for us. That's why please
Hmm.
call your clients. What is it? Give them a messages to
Message. Hmm.
take. Yeah, they give them a message to take 50,000 or 1 lakh, around something like this. I'll be released your client. Will be released your client, and they will do the same. Last of all,
Okay.
I sort out around 80,000. They will take 50,000 and 30,000 for me. Yeah, honestly, I'm saying to you because you will not take money from me,
Okay.
and they will
No,
release
but
they will release my client without uh, any cases or like that.
formality.
Just
Okay.
just there to do the formalities. I am we are calling this person for some interrogation and
Inquiry.
yeah, inquiry, and we'll release him.
Okay. So they can, decide to just remove all the unnecessary complications and
Yeah,
just
yeah,
take a
yeah.
little bit of money and
Oh,
okay,
yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah. It will happen.
Okay.
It will happen.
Okay. So it is within the police's control, basically, like what you decide to do. Uh,
Exactly.
okay, fine. So fine. Okay. So what would be your initial reaction if you see such a, we're talking about the hypothetical situation. So when you're walking into the forest and you see
As
the
a general,
money in the suitcase, yeah.
yeah, as a general person, if I will, it would happen with me. If then I will must take some money from the suitcase, and after that I will call the police.
The police.
In general
Okay.
person, what usually do the person
Hmm.
do in what in fine morning, but such a amount if he or he will see. First of all,
Yes.
must say he or he said take some money from the suitcase. After that, they will inform he or she will inform the local police stations. I think
But
it will happen.
you don't think they will want how much money, like the entire amount?